A message from the Duke.
All right, guys, I tried to do this live today, but technical difficulties. YouTube is changing some of their interface again. So I'll just do this, I'll record it and I'll edit it and put it up. I've got my San Diego Padres hat on, and because I want to celebrate the Dodgers, go Dodgers, but I didn't have a Dodgers hat. So I figured another California area hat would probably do. That's probably not going to work. I'm from New York, Mets, Yankees, they don't work. But in sort of a celebratory nod of the hat to the Dodgers, I know, I'm being silly. All right, guys, today I am going to get back to basics. Now, I tried the last time I shaved this little thing, which is an Indiegogo project called Evo. And this is the world's smallest shaver. And if you haven't seen the videos yet, check them out. I'll leave links below so you can check out that product and get more information about Evo. But if you're anything like me, electric shavers, either foil or rotary, they just don't do it for me. And it's time to get back to basics, guys. I'm gonna get back to just a plain old, everyday safety razor shave. Now, as part of the live, I was going to give you guys the opportunity to pick which Duke Cannon shaving gel we'd use today. But since I don't have you live, I'll just pick. And I'm going to go with the Fresh Aloe. But I will follow up soon with this hot shave. So we'll check that out in my next shave. Today we're going to be shaving with a one-of-a-kind LuteShop.com double-edged safety razor. Now look at that. Edwin Jagger head, 3-piece design. And because of the baseball reference, I need a Dodgers hat, guys. Now the handle of this razor, guys, is hand-turned by Jason Lutz at LuteShop.com from the barrel of a Louisville Slugger baseball bat. So it's fitting, right? I'm right on point. We're gonna do a nice shave with this because that Evo, yeah, I just wasn't feeling great after it. So without further ado, let's get right into it. I don't really need a pre-shave with this. It has shea butter, green tea, and you're ready to rock and roll. So let's get going. I'll just apply a little bit more warm, near hot water to open up the pores, but you don't want to burn your face. So almost hot, guys. Now, Jason Lutz was kind enough to stand in and do a guest shave about a week and a half ago. Aloe, fresh aloe, guys. There we go. And as part of his guest shave appearance, well, he didn't actually shave because he said it takes him a long time to grow his beard. So he wasn't going to do it, but he showed us how he makes these fine handmade wooden safety razors. And I'll tell you what, guys, check out LuteShop.com for your own handmade, one-of-a-kind safety razor. Now this is nice. It comes out pretty thick. And it's got a very oily feel to it, guys. Really clings to the stubble. Perfect for the double edge. If you're using a multi-blade, it may give you some issues with clogging. All right, first pass, I'm gonna be shaving with the grain of the hair. So on my face, the hair grows straight down. So I'll be shaving straight down. With a double edge razor, you wanna have a 30-degree angle approach to your face, and you're gonna wanna use short strokes with light pressure. And you hear that feedback? It's very nice. There's heft to this since it is a wooden handle, and you've got that Jagger style head. Oh yeah. Feels really good, guys. And I'm heating up the razor. You can add heat or cold to the razor head. I like the hot. And you get a little bit of heat with each stroke. That feels good, guys. Duke Cannon makes some great products, guys. American manufacturer. They support veterans. So a portion of the proceeds from the sale of their products go to support veterans, and you gotta love that. If you're a veteran out there, thank you for your service. All right, so now hair on my neck. On the sides of my neck, believe it or not, the hair actually grows out this way. And in the middle, it sort of grows straight out, or if anything, up. So we're gonna shave with the grain of the hair on our neck, or my neck. So I'll be shaving on the sides out this way. Beard mapping. My man, Jimmy G. With the hair. And again on the middle, during where the Adam's apple is, we'll shave down. What a difference, guys. All right, first pass is in the books. Let's hit the second pass, guys. I'm gonna add a little bit more warm water, near hot, and a little bit more Duke Cannon. And we're gonna go with the cross grain pass for pass number 2. I think I added the gel a little too thick on the first pass. So I was mindful to put a little bit more water in this mix. It doesn't give you the richest lather, but it's very oily in consistency, very slick, which is good for protection. We're gonna do cross grain again. Short strokes, light strokes, go across the grain. Again, a 30-degree angle. Very nice. Take your time. If you're new to wet shaving, take your time. Hear that feedback, guys? Oh, yeah. This aloe, very nice, has a very interesting smell. Musky. Sort of wild smell to it. All right, let's go down and let's get that hair under, or right at the jawline, guys. Use both sides of the the razor, flip them. And I'm going to try to come at this from the side, sort of an angle cut. Take your time, especially with the cross grain, and really let the razor dictate where you're going. You don't want to be forcing it. Yeah, this little bit of clogging, even with the double edge. So I'm going to open this guy up. Take a look. It's a very, very oily consistency. I'll make sure that that blade is clean. So that's something to keep your eye on. So I'm gonna go with the third and final pass, which is gonna be my against grain pass, guys. I'm gonna dial back a little bit. On this gel. I mean, my face feels really oily right now. I could probably get away with just shaving this way, but I want to give you a little bit of visual interest, but I'm going to go with much less of this time. But for a multi-blade, if you don't really dial this back and really add a lot of water, I bet you it'd be clog city. Feels nice though. Has a warmth to it. So let's go with the final pass, which is going to be against the grain pass. Hair on my face goes down. So I'm going to flip the blade upside down, shape upward. No pressure, really. Just a slight amount of pressure, guys. This is what I call my get right pass. But you don't want to do too much. Slow. Deliberate strokes. Nice. Oh, my face is feeling great. There's a nice tingle. All right, since I said my hair grows out this way, so to shave against the grain, I'm going to be shaving sort of on an angle back this way. And the hair in the middle grows straight up. Oh yeah. Adam's apple trick, guys. I have a pronounced Adam's apple. To take it out of play, you could either slide the skin to the side and shave, or I like to swallow hard and hold it, which eliminates the Adam's apple. And it allows you to shave that area. It takes the Adam's apple out of play. All right, I'm gonna finish off with cold water. Closes the pores and it gets your face ready for the aftershave. And you guys guessed it.
A message from the Duke.
Duke Cannon's ice cold aftershave balm. This is one of my favorite products of all time. Goes on nice and cold menthol. That then gives you a little bit of heat at the end. Sort of like a wine. A fine wine with a nice kick at the end, guys. So there you have it. Now we'll get back to business whenever I can go live again. I'm going to tell you who I've decided to give this, well, not this, but Jason Lutz from lootshop.com was nice enough to offer one of his fine hand-turned safety razors to one of you. And I think I've come down to, it's between two guys, two loyal viewers who support the show. And if you can guess it, if you can guess who I'm thinking, well, maybe you just might get something too. I'll try to go live and give this away over the next couple of days. It's actually, again, it's not this. It's a hardwood from Mexico. Might be a Coco Bolo driftwood. And if you haven't seen the razor, I'll leave a link below so you can check it out. All right? In the meantime, guys, get over to lootshop.com and check out Jason's woodworking, his pens, his shaving kits, and tell Jason and the people over at the Loot Shop that the average guy sent you. As always, I want to thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time. Again, I'll be giving one of these beautiful razors away live soon, maybe Friday. But in the meantime, you know what to do. And again, congratulations to the Dodgers, World Series champions in the year of COVID. I'll see you next time, guys.